This reflection video is concerning EdTPA and its three parts and components. I think it's like to say first, I'm glad we actually get introduced to it early enough where you have an idea of what it is you're going to be graded on and how it's going to be graded so that you're not totally thrown into it when you have to have it count for you. I think that's important for students to know that in advance. The three sections, planning, execution, and assessment. I mean, seems pretty standard as to how a teacher is going to be evaluated and how they go about their daily routines anyway. But to be able to validate and justify your reasoning behind what you're choosing to go into as far as your planning gives your advisor the inside thought as to why you're going about doing things and how you see them, and if you need some guidance as far as the reasoning behind it, you're getting that. It's not just you throwing something together because, okay, the state says we have to learn, or the students have to learn X, Y, and Z, and it has to be taught this way. You need to understand the whys behind it because everyone doesn't learn the same, and even though the concept may repeat from year to year, you need to be able to be flexible enough to reach the needs of your students that you have at that time. The videotaping and the guidelines for that, it gives you an idea of how you have to go about approaching it, where so much as that you're not just, or let me just tape everything. No, you got to make sure that you get permission and that your videos are appropriate. I think these reflection videos that we've had to do is kind of preparation for that. I never really have made any videos that put out to be seen, but these have definitely helped as far as going about talking on record without really thinking about it too much, so that it just flows natural, not staged per se. And the assessment, just learning how to go about doing stuff besides just skill and drill and worksheets to actually truly evaluate student comprehension and performance. Being able to apply those skills to real world analysis, not just pencil and paper, hey, do this and get a grade. You know, it's more to life than that. That's not real life. That, you know, if you make it relevant for the students, then they're more apt to engage in it. So EdTPA, I think, is just a big reflection of not just teaching skills and drills, but the thought process that goes in behind it. And it's a reflection that shows those your advisors and teachers that you're understanding the why behind what we do as educators.